Seal mechanical. A mechanical seal is a device that helps join systems or mechanisms together by preventing leakage, e.g., in a pumping system, containing pressure, or excluding contamination. The effectiveness of a seal is dependent on adhesion in the case of sealants and compression in the case of gaskets. The seals are installed in pumps in a wide range of industries including chemicals, water supply, paper production, food processing, and many other applications. A stationary seal may also be referred to as packing. Seal types: induction sealing or cap sealing, adhesive sealant, Bodoc seal, a specialized gas sealing washer for medical applications, bonded seal, also known as Doughty seal or Doughty washer, a type of washer with integral gasket, widely used to provide a seal at the entry point of a screw or bolt. Bridgman seal, a piston sealing mechanism that creates a high-pressure reservoir from a lower-pressure source. Compression seal fitting, diaphragm seal, ferrofluidic seal, gasket or mechanical packing, flange gasket, O-ring, 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 O-ring boss seal, piston ring, glass to metal seal, glass ceramic to metal seals, heat seal, hose coupling, various types of hose couplings, hermetic seal, hydrostatic seal, hydrodynamic seal, inflatable seal, seals that inflate and deflate in three basic directions of operation: the axial direction, the radial in direction, and the radial out direction. Each of these inflation directions has their own set of performance parameters for measurements, such as the height of inflation and the centerline bend radius that the seal can negotiate. Inflatable seals can be used for numerous applications with difficult sealing issues. Labyrinth seal, a seal which creates a tortuous path for the liquid to flow through. Lid container. Rotating face mechanical seal, face seal, plug, radial shaft seal, trap plumbing siphon trap, stuffing box mechanical packing, 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 wiper seal, dry gas seal.